I'm Chris Duke, and I'm feeling a little bit of pressure today to talk to you about the all-new 2000 PSI Craftsman Pressure Washer. This is Tool Talk. I've been sitting on this guy for a couple weeks. I'm dying to open it up and show it to you guys and see it for myself for the very first time. Now, Craftsman makes pressure washers that range from 1800 on the electric side all the way up to double that, 3600 PSI for the gas. Now, this is the 2000 PSI. This is probably what you guys are going to end up getting because it's also got the detergent tank that you can load up with soap and suds up your vehicle. So without further ado, let's grab the old Craftsman box knife and rip this thing open. Well packaged. Got a quick setup guide. We've got the operator's manual. All right, let's get the big boy out of here. Oh, it's heavy. Pew, 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 pew. Power, little protector. Long power cable, 25-foot hose, and there's water coming out of it. So you know it's been tested. Now this is actually the front of the unit. These little levers come up so that the handle comes down for easier storage. Look at all that water coming out. All right, now as far as attaching the soft grip gun, that's pretty easy. Right in here. Now on the gun there is a safety lock feature. It's this red button. Got to go to the left or the right before you can pull the trigger. Now taking a look at the unit, it's pretty easy to figure out where things go. This is where your hose attaches, and right up here is where the blue part of the wand attaches. That's where your detergent goes, of course. And right up front here's the 7-in-1 nozzle. This attaches to the end of the wand. And then down below here is your on-off switch. Now attach the wand to the gun. You just hand tighten this. And then to the end of the wand is the 7-in-1 nozzle that just snaps right in with its quick connect. So in addition to this 7-in-1 nozzle that is included, they also give you a high pressure nozzle. If you're like me, you get a new toy like this, you pull it out of the box, there's all sorts of hoses and cables and connectors and wands and attachments and stuff like that, and you don't know where they go, so you just toss it all together, or worse, you lose them. So come on over here, I'll show you where they all go. The 7-in-1 nozzle goes right here, you just push it in. The gun lives over on the left side of the unit, the end of it goes in this little holster on the bottom, while the handle rests right up in there. Now the wand lives on the right hand of the unit with the threaded end pointed up. Just clips right in there. Now for the end of the cable, I found this nice little pocket right back in here. It just kind of snaps back in there. Now as far as this big mess of spaghetti, I found putting the electrical cable on first, right around there, and then your hose on top of it works best. So great, 2000 PSI, it's got all the features you need in a home pressure washer for not just your vehicle, but your home. And it's got some really cool things like this soap reservoir. Now if only I had something super nasty to clean, like, I don't know, like this Ford truck, let's hit it. Now that really made quick work of this nasty project. Now for more information on this pressure washer, just head on over to tooltalk.tv. I'll have the link right there for you. I'll catch you next Tuesday for another episode of Tool Talk.